This is so easy, LMAO.
Nothing could ever happen to us.
Yeah, bro. Like, we've been on a great streak and nothing's gonna stop us.
Team live forever and retire.
I hope you choke
drinking
on
all the
that.
loot.
It's so loud.
He's drinking the fucking loot.
Oh wait, yeah, you're drinking the bottles. Hey, you can't do that.
It's company property.
What's that noise?
Did it kill the dog?
Bro, it ate the dog! It ate the dog!
Pro strats!
Yo, my dog is about to kill me. The giant worm just fucking ate it.
Dude!
Circle of life.
Holy
Yeah, there was a
shit.
boat door.
That was like
was
the
the
fucking.
greatest
That
thing
was
ever.
that was the fucking Star Wars scene. There's always a bigger fish.
It was about to fucking rush me, and the worm killed it.
Oh my god, praise. What's the Shai Halud? Praise it. It is rescued you this day.